Alright, YouTube, giving you guys a holler. It's a Saturday afternoon and we were at the Volkswagen plant in Chattanooga, Tennessee. They hired us to come out and do 8 Volkswagens for some show or some fair or something like that. So these are brand new cars that we had to come out and clean up. There's 8 of them total, and it's gorgeous outside. But I hope you guys enjoy the video. These are, I don't know what year these are, 18 or 19, 2018, 2019 Volkswagen Jettas, I believe. They're going to be introducing them to the public, or not to the public, I'm sorry, to the employees' families. You can see. Brand new. Anyway, I'll shoot another video when we're done today. I gotta get back on these cars. I gotta get them done and get out of here. But I'll explain more details about the cars later on, so you guys can send me an email, ask me questions, I'll answer them. And by the way, subscribe to my channel and give us a thumbs up, like, please. Appreciate it. It helps the channel grow. Alright, we'll holler at you guys later.